Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can improve sound quality of your JBL Live 460. First of all, select the headphones from the JBL headphones application, and we can find two ways how to improve the sound quality. First of all, we have to scroll down to the smart audio and the video, and we have to turn it on. And next, we have to switch from the video mode to the audio mode. Now just wait a little bit. When you click on this information icon, you can find information that audio mode gives us the best audio quality. The second option to improve quality of the sound is to go for the equalizer, turn it on, and then pick one of the default presets, but also you can create your own by using these sliders. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.